Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this real user experience on this Indus Valley pre-season dosa tawa. This is a pre-season, okay? 2 months back, we did the unboxing of this very same dosa tawa. Now we'll see the live making of the dosa using this Indus Valley pre-season dosa tawa, which is a cast iron. Okay, there is no non-stick coating on this. Okay, you need to remember that. Yeah, and this the user is waiting for the cast iron to get heated up. He made the flame into high. Okay, yeah, the user just made this video to show the real user experience on this. Before that, I'll show you the video which I did the unboxing. Yeah, this is the Indus Valley precision cast iron, which is precision tawa. What you have just seen uh, in the making of dosa, and see here, this is before 2 months. Okay, this is the very Indus Valley precision cast iron concave dosa tawa. What you are seeing, yeah. So yeah, you can consider this as the usage experience of the real user. Okay. Okay, coming back now, the cast iron tawa of Indus Valley is completely heated up. Now you can make dosas on this, and the cooking process is also very good, and the user has used this for like 4 to 5 times. Okay, the user purchased this for like 1500 rupees. Yeah, you can see the output. The user is expressed very good opinion on this Indus Valley cast iron tawa, and please do comment if anyone else are using cast iron for dosas.